All right, so one issue in Excel that people often face is the difference between absolute and relative reference. So in this case, I'm going to take cell D5 minus cell D2, and we get a correct value. So in this, usually you just use the fill handle, put in your formula, but you got issues. So what is happening is when you enter the formula here, you are actually referring to, see, D5 is one cell over. In this, you are referring to one cell over and 3 cells up, since in this case, D5 is one cell over and then D2 is 3 cells up. So to fix that, all you have to do, when we get rid of those, we're going to modify the original formula. We want to have an absolute reference for cell D2. So we always go back and look at that specific cell. It's very simple. All we have to do, go to the formula, add $signs in front of D and 2, the column and row, enter, and then I will use the fill handle again. And now we are actually using absolute reference. So we are referring to one cell over, but in the second case, we are referring to cell D2. So that is one way to utilize absolute referencing. Thank you for watching.